The BLO series engine is a straight-four automobile engine family that was produced by the Austin Morris division of British Leyland, BL, as a development of the BMC B-series engine family. See also another B-series successor, the BMC E-series engine. Introduced by BL in 1978 in the rear-wheel drive Series 3 Morris Marina and the smaller engined versions of the front-wheel drive Princess, it was intended to replace the 1.8 liters B-series unit. The main advance over the B-series was that the new unit was a belt-driven overhead camshaft configuration with an aluminium cylinder head. Offered in the unusual capacity of 1.7 liters as well as 2.0 liters, it proved to be reliable and was widely used in BL vehicles. These included the rear-wheel drive Morris Ital of 1980, 1.7 liters or 2.0 liters with an automatic gearbox, the rear-wheel drive Rover SD1 of 1982, 2.0 liters only, and 1.7 liters and 2.0 liters in the front-wheel drive Austin Ambassador, in fact the only engine offered in this model. In 1984, it was reworked for installation in high-specification 2.0 liters versions of the front-wheel drive Austin Maestro and Austin Montego, where it was later optionally available with fuel injection or turbocharging. This installation of the O-series was adapted for use with the Honda PG1 end-on manual gearbox, replacing the gearbox-in-sump design traditionally used on British Leyland front-wheel drive products. The 1.7 liters O-series was not used in these vehicles, which featured R and later S-series 1.6 liters units. In 1986, BL collaborated with Perkins to convert the O-series to run on diesel. The oil-burning versions, known as the Rover MDI Perkins Prima, proved to be highly successful in the Maestro and Montego and helped sustain the ailing mid-sized models into the 1990s. Perkins successfully marketed the engine under its own brand in the industrial and marine sectors. By 1987, British Leyland, now known as the Rover Group, equipped the O-series with a 16-valve cylinder head for the Rover 800. This 2.0 liters unit was known as the M-series and was further reworked into the T-series in 1992. The original 8-valve version of the O-series was also briefly used in budget versions of the Rover 800. 2-liter O-series. A notable advantage of this particular O-series engine is that the cylinder head does not require modification to run on unleaded petrol due to having hardened valve seats. Other O-series engines, however, cannot run on unleaded without modification of the cylinder head or use of an additive. Vehicles using the O-series. Examples of vehicles using a version of the O-series engine: Austin Maestro 2.0 liters, 2.0 liters diesel. Austin Montego 2.0 liters, 2.0 liters diesel. Leyland Sherpa Freight Rover Sherpa 200 300s 1.7 liters, 2.0 liters. Princess Austin Ambassador 1.7 liters, 2.0 liters. Morris Ital 1.7 liters, 2.0 liters automatic. Morris Marina 1.7 liters. Rover SD1 2.0 liters. Austin Maestro 2.0 liters. Austin Montego 2.0 liters. Rover 822.0 liters MG Maestro 2.0 liters MG Maestro 2.0 liters, turbo. MG Montego 2.0 liters MG Montego 2.0 liters, turbo. Naylor Hodson TF 1700. References: O-series engine story.